Hello, everyone. Let's go through our list 16 spelling words. Our first word, some. Some. We see it, we say it. Some. Can I have some ice cream? Would you like some pizza? Some. Let's say it together 3 times. Some. 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 Next, make. Make. We make lunch with Mom. Let's make the bed. Make. Let's say it together 3 times. Make. 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 Next, wood. Wood. It's not like wood from a tree. This would is a really good question word. Would you like to play tennis or football? Would you come and play with me? I would like some ice cream. Would. Let's say it together 3 times. Would. 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 Her. Her. We have h and e and r together. Say er. Her shoes are blue. That is her pencil. Her. Let's say it together 3 times. Her. 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 This is our spelling pattern for this week. A, k. The C and the K together say k. Uck. Uck. That's our spelling pattern. Our first word, d, a, k. Duck. Duck. The duck is in the pond. I see a flock of ducks swimming. Duck. Let's say it together 3 times. Duck. 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 Same spelling pattern. L, a, k. Luck. Luck. We use this when we say to someone, good luck. Good luck at your baseball game. You were lucky to catch that baseball. Luck. Let's say it together 3 times. Luck. 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 Next. S, a, k. Suck. Suck. This is a picture of a vacuum cleaner. This will suck all the dirt away. You can suck from a straw. Suck. Let's say it together 3 times. Suck. 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 Our last word for this week. S, t, a, k. Stuck. Stuck. Here's a picture of Winnie the Pooh. The pot is stuck on his head. Stuck. Stuck. Let's say it together 3 times. Stuck. 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 Great job, everyone. Good luck with your week 16 spelling words. Bye for now.